Hey guys, it's Andrea with Sucks for You in Houston, Texas, and this is an update on the Lithops and Argyroderma that I posted about 5 months ago. Haven't posted much since, sorry about that, but I'm back and not a lot has happened. Let's have a look. Okay, so first, did I just say queso? I'm hungry. Um, you can see two new leaves emerging from here. We're starting to split open a lot more. There's just a little bit of wrinkling at the base, and these top leaves feel firm still to the touch. This one is probably going to be at least another 2 months before these outer leaves are absorbed, and it's starting to get warm and humid here, so that's going to definitely slow down the amount of time these take to dry out. And here is the big boy. Same thing in this situation. Firm, very firm. And again, I haven't watered these in months. I've actually had them in my garage under a grow light, but it's getting a little too hot and humid in there, so I'm going to start moving them back out to the open air. Right now they're just hanging out on plant shelf under my pergola. And this is probably, where are we? Being April, so April, May, June, maybe July, this one will be finished absorbing these outer leaves. And again, I've told y'all before that when it's really humid where you live, the outer leaves struggle to dry, and sometimes you have to help. They become like leathery, like thin, tough leather, and I'll snip them off. And then the Argyroderma, the first thing that happened here was we could see this right here and the other one on the other side. Those are like flower bracts. I'm assuming that's what they're called. And Mesembs. I don't know if that's a seed pod or not, but at first I thought this was the new growth, but tricky little guy, look. See the nice, like blue, they look blue in person. Then two new leaf pairs coming in, and the outer leaves wrinkling because the new growth is absorbing them. But what I did want to do is snip this off and see if it was a seed pod or not, because you know it had already flowered when I got it, and it had been hopefully it had been like exposed and pollinated by other flowers in the nursery or wherever I got it, the big box store, because this guy's huge. But the new growth coming in is going to be a little more average size for Argyroderma. So let's see if I can cut that open. I'm going to put my camera down and not try and do this one hand. Or will I do it one hand? Let's see. Okay, let's see if this works. Ah, where'd you go? And see if I can open this up. It just looks like the flower had dried. Yeah. There's just little dried petals, stamens, stuff like that. It's okay. I ain't mad. I don't need any more plants right now. But it would have been fun to start some from seed, but it's gonna start getting really hot here, and it's just gonna, ugh, one more thing to stress about, so at least we don't have to worry about that. Alright, that's it for now. We'll come back with an update down the road in the nearish future, and if I find anything else fun to talk about, show you guys, I'll make another video. And if you have any ideas or feedback, leave it in the comments below. If you have any ideas for video topics that I haven't discussed already, and please like and subscribe to my channel and stuff, and check out my book, The Succulent Manual. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching and have a great week.